authentic approach to the environment of the center. So the physical landscape is very much a character to the film. How was the film last night?
Morning.
What do they call it? Wow. And what was that for? What was the music for? Really? Unbelievable film. You guys actually had to learn English. Yeah. And I think I read somebody you actually in a hotel or ran set, with on a headset, on the iPhone. Yeah. Yeah, we were just working around the set. Where were you from? That's hard for you, because obviously you started in loads of films, including Freedom Fighting, Fine.
Wait a minute. Hey, where are you going? No. Hello. Oh. Come on, back there. There you go.
This is exclusive. Jordan's new line, Sweet Salad, works on the palette, having a food production, and stars with border of cool food. Get it all in Sweet. Join the party with Just Dance 2. Out now.
Morning, hey. Come on, go right that way.